Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Dreo heater we just got, a fan and heater. What's really nice about this, it looks like so far, is that it comes with this nice remote, and also it's got settings on top of the heater as well. So you can actually use the remote to turn it on and turn it up and down, or you can go right to the unit if you want to do it that way and turn the heater up and down as well. So let me go ahead and plug it in here first. All right, so now you can see the light comes on. You can just press the power button right on the top. The heater is on, and let me just step back a little bit. Wow, even already I just plugged it in. You can actually feel it radiating off already from even this far away, but this is perfect for, you know, any small offices. We have it in our living room. You can set on the couch if you want to and turn the, you know, volume or the settings up and down for heat. Also, it has a range of about 150 to 200 square feet. And I guess the other thing I wanted to add is just that, you know, it works really well. I like it, and you can find it on Amazon.com.